Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Today our question is something that I have personal experience with. How do I keep pests out of my car? My experience was driving down the road on the freeway, and I had a roach decide to get a little too friendly with me. He ran up the leg of my pants. Now, after I stopped and I took care of that situation, I vowed to never let that happen again. So here are some things that you can do so that you don't run into the same situation that I did. 1, make sure that you're keeping your windows rolled up. Also, don't eat inside your vehicle. Try to clean up after yourself. Remember, leaving food inside your vehicle or spilling things is like leaving a buffet out for insects. And also, you can treat your floorboards and your cloth upholstery with Novicide. This will kill the majority of insects that wander their way into your car. Treating your property will also help. You know, they say the best offense is a good defense. And lastly, keep your doors locked, because really you never know. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. You know, they say the best offense is a good defense. Somebody says that at least.